Greetings to all! If your windows are like this after using the fireplace and you're wondering how to clean it, keep watching. First of all, we take ash from the fireplace with a wet cloth. Then we start rubbing the glass. As you can see, soot stains begin to appear. As the ash runs out, we can still get it from inside the fireplace. You can easily clean it without using any chemicals or knives. Do you see the dirt coming out? As the cloth gets dirty, we repeat the process with different parts. Finally, we clean the glass with the clean part of the cloth. That's it, our glass is sweat clean. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.